We see a third one.
Cebu definitely needs this victory to secure a spot in the play-in. They cannot afford to lose anymore dahil them a chance to get in, and that's Davao.
They're back in the mix on Davao if that happens. Boom Boom Tampos with a jumper. He nails it. Cebu opening the game.
Patindi ang nabibigay ni Boom Boom Tampos on both sides of the basketball.
Rivog Sang with a three. Oh, they came to play. Cebu being let go at the start of the season. Galanza nails the three.
Well, when we talked about Bong Galanza during the top of our cup.
What is the call there?
Tampos called for that offensive foul.
Five to 3 here, early goings. Ating laro, Cebu against Pangasinan here in Calasiao. Fontanilla, they go to Collado against Martel. Galanza, Meneses is there in front of him. Fontanilla, 3 seconds on the shot clock. Joshua will launch it. It's an air ball.
Standout defense there. Played by, but a careless pass by Mark Meneses. You cannot afford those kinds of mistakes, but his teammates from the bench telling him to move on. Bawi na lang dun sa next play. There's nothing you can do about that anymore. There's no use for you to put your head down this early in this game.
Here's Mac Talio, goes on the attack. A lot of contact, but no call. Here's Fontanilla. Collado to Napoles. Nice break from Jore. Lumapit si Jore. He will get the roll.
I like how he didn't settle for the outside shot.
Out of time on the shot clock. Napoles has the advantage here and he puts it in.
Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina. He opted to go for the jump.
Galanza for 3. It's short. Ogsang with the rebound. Talio is ahead. And Talio will lay it in.
That's surely gonna calm his nerves a bit here, Mac Talio. So I'm sure para sa kanila, almost all of them, itong mga Cebuanos playing for Cebu, I'm sure it's very special for them to be playing for.
It works though. Hamon. No, isa pa. Jan Hamon. Still no good. And J.R. Kenyan. Those are two wide bodies there in Beichong.
Once again, Beichong and Kinyahan.
Beichong again gets the basket plus the foul.
Sedelf, I think we're to begin this game.
Tied at 13. Melencio to Bulanadi. Yes!
That's actually...
Lane. Agawan sa rebound. Gabo ahead to Bulanadi for 2.
What a no-look pass delivered there by Esed Gabo. Last shot, play well on the floor. And also there's a pressure for them to also maintain such good images because a lot of young kids, they look up to these basketball.
Flores saves it only to Manzo. Here's June Manzo. Yes.
Leaning in and able to push that shot up into the basket.
Gusto ko yung push shot na yan kay June Manzo.
Master niya na yan eh. Just like how Alin Bulanadi has mastered the outside shot. In fact, that should have been a foul on JP Maguliano instead of Dolan Adlawan.
Oh no. Bad news for Cebu here. Alin Bulanadi with his 3rd triple of the ball game. He's got 11 to lead all scorers.
And if he continues to play this way, bad news for the rest of the league as well. But this is good news for the great.
Melencio, June Manzo cannot get the roll. Adlawan is fouled. He puts it in plus the foul.
Well, they definitely make up for that botched fast break opportunity early. Na-meet ko yung kanyang mas batang kapatid and he told me how Dolan just really enjoys having the opportunity to play basketball again.
Plus kilos na.
Do you draw inspiration from that?
Yeah, I think so. while sipping a Coke. Galanza, Di Gregorio challenged by Mark Meneses, but he passes it off to the wrong guy. It's a gift. Taps it. Ubalde. Inside to Ugsang. Reeve Ugsang for 2. He's got 8 in the ball game. And Cebu only down. Meneses ahead to Manuel. And Vic Manuel for 2.
Well, suddenly Adlawan and Mark Meneses, both of them
Shot. Ubalde will launch the 3 and hit.
a big shot right there, but
Jore out to Vic Manuel. Manuel atake. The one-hander works para kay Vic Manuel.
that's just your veteran working there for. I love the confidence in making that statement.
Ikaw talaga, Mika Bisamis, marunong ka. You know. Lawrence Paul. Gerson Cabiltes, Mr. Gerson Cabiltes, a champion coach. He is a proven winner here in the MPBL. Truly one of the greats here. But this season will be a challenge for him. And from where he stood last season to now, I think he's also developed.
Extract all these kinds of stories and statements from our players and coaches.
Kaya pala, okay. Thank you.
Yun na pala ang sagot.
Finally, some clarity for us.
Yes.
Happy birthday sa kanyang mommy, Angelina Cabiltes. I'm sure you are proud of your son doing well here as a coach in the MPBL. But this is Lawrence Victoria time para dito sa Pangasinan. Gabo running with Collado. Collado loses the handle. Manzo to Ubalde. 2 points. Paolo Ubalde, we're tied at 42.
Lots of misses that don't get a lucky bounce. It's just crazy.
Napoles, beautiful left-handed scoop. 2-point game. Meneses on the attack. The kick out to Paolo Ubalde for 3. Got it. The Aquaman stroking home. Gabo down low to Napoles. The drop step from Joe Ray. He will get continuation. Ugsang in trouble. Oh, he gets it to Manzo. Nalibre si Beichong. Block. Beichong. Another opportunity. He puts it in for 2.
It's all about
Labas kay Beichong. Manzo gets it back. It's a 3-pointer. Big shot by June Manzo.
oh boy.
55 to 51. And the last possession of the third. Gabo against Beichong. Good defense by Beichong, but better offense. Hesed Gabo. Bulanadi against Meneses. Oh, he took an extra step. What a shot, Alin Bulanadi. Did he? Javi, looked like.
It looked like he.
Talio has it. And he will slow things down. Ugsang is wide open. Ugsang for 2.
What a heads-up play by Mac Talio. That's his first assist of the game. Locating Reeve Ugsang for a crucial basket.
58 to 55. The spin move. Gabo reverse. And that gets the crowd going. Beichong against Collado. Alvin testing the defense. He gets the roll. Oh my.
He has hit some big shots.
Still a 3-point lead here. Gabo, the ball fake, the kick out. Napoles, jumper. Got it. What a shot. Jore Napoles.
Difficult on the floor at all times.
Napoles against Kinyahan. Napoles feeling it. Back-to-back hits. Para
Heat waves.
boom boom. Natapikan. Collado gets it to Bulanadi. 2 points. It's a 3-point lead for Pangasinan. To Napoles. Confidence from Joe Ray. Doesn't work. Bulanadi with the hustle play. He misses. Collado cleans it up. Inside, Collado, crucial baskets here for Jay Collado. Martel They're taken away by Napoles. Joe Ray all the way. What a run here for Pangasinan. The game changer has been...
Halos lahat dito magkakakilala talaga, and they've already played with each other or against each other. That's a big basket for Cebu off the timeout.
Well, Gabo. Collado. Atake ni Jay Collado. What a performance, Jay Collado.
This fourth quarter,
Bulanadi looks at the clock. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Bulanadi turns the corner, launches the three. But look who's there, Jorey Napoles. Manzo will fire. Got it. They're still in it. Big possession for Cebu. Manzo, there's some contact there. Hindi natawagan. Gabol.
the game, it has not been a good night for Mactalio.
Bulanadi to Galanza. The Heat Waves are taking this one home. Napoles also the role player, and then Gabo and Bulanadi taking this one home para dito sa Heat Waves. .9 seconds remaining. Hubalde to Tampos, and Boom Boom puts it in. Under pressure here. He gets it across, and then a foul given up by John Hamon.
Stretch this one.
Bulanadi saying good night to the Cebu. Here goes 2 free throws. Boom Boom. Manzo will fire. A knockdown to 3, but that should do it. It's
15 points, 17 rebounds para kay Jorey Napoles. Perhaps his best game of the season so far, wearing